Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to create some bookmarks on social bookmark websites. Okay, so I have already registered some websites here, so let's go and start with /dot. This was the username. One more thing, make sure that you randomize your username so it will look natural and Google will see that that the different users are bookmarking your website as well as sharing the videos and creating documents. Okay, so the reason behind creating different username is to hide Google that we are doing SEO for our website. Okay, I'm already logged in. Okay, let's go to submit. And we already have articles. So I'm going to Okay, so this is best waterproof camera bookmark. So we are going to post our website link which is related to our waterproof camera. Copy link location, paste it here. Okay, so this is the preview, the title, the summary, and SCRAPS, submit. So we have our social bookmark here with the anchor text original to link to original source. If someone click this link, let me open it, new tab, she will be visit to our website, and we have also a backlink on /dot. So copy this URL and save it in Excel. Okay, let's go to Delicious. And do the same thing. Wow, that's really great. I already logged in here. So all you need to do is just click add link and go to your website, copy URL, add the link, title, and save link. Okay, I will also add this post too, so copy the link, okay. The next thing is to collect the URLs. Okay, let's go to Reddit. And log in. Okay, and click submit a new link. URL, suggest title, and gaming PQY GRG VTR QDH. Okay, so we have a link here, and it's a really good website for bookmarking, and by this way you can submit your bookmarks to all these websites. They all are high PR website, and I will do the rest myself. And this video is just to show you that how to create bookmarks on bookmarking website. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.